Alright, well, I made some hot dogs to eat, and I have one left. I'm not so hungry. I want to show you how fast my dog Bear can eat a hot dog. I like mustard, so I just assume he does too. This is gonna be crazy. Bear! Bear! Here he is. Sit. Who's this for? Who's this for? Yeah, that's right. Alright, here we go. Gone. That was about 0.7 seconds. Good boy, Bear.